Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clone a project in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where from the left panel, click on this plus icon next to projects to create a new project. In this new tab, choose your project template from the left panel. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the software development option. Next in here, click on Import Data to a new project, which is found at the far right. In this new tab, you can choose to clone your projects from different applications like Trello or Notion. For our tutorial, I'm going to choose the Jira software project option. Next, Jira has some prompts for you. Start by selecting a software project and click on Next down here. Then in this next prompt, type in a project name for this clone and click on Next again. In here, your details will be reviewed, and once it's done, click on Import down here. After that, just wait as Jira finishes importing and cloning your project. And that is how you can clone a project in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.